Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the bizarre, almost unbelievable story of Stéphane Breitwieser, often dubbed the most prolific art thief of all time. Between 1995 and 2001, he stole hundreds of priceless artworks across Europe, not for money, but for the thrill. So, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Stéphane Breitwieser is a Frenchman from Mulhouse who shocked the art world by confessing to stealing around 230 artworks from roughly 170 museums. He was rarely motivated by profit. He stole out of obsession, storing paintings, ceramics, religious relics, and more in his home like a living treasure chest. His thefts made headlines not just for their boldness, but also for the destruction that followed after his arrest. After being caught, Stéphane served prison time in Switzerland, then France, for his audacious spree. His mother infamously destroyed many of the stolen artworks and even dumped countless treasures in a canal to cover his tracks. Fast forward to 2023, he was convicted again for art-related thefts from regional museums and was sentenced to house arrest with an ankle tracker. Where is Stéphane Breitwieser now? As of now, Stéphane Breitwieser is no longer behind bars. Instead, he's living under house arrest, wearing an electronic ankle monitor. Though stripped of the ability to roam freely and removed from the art world he once obsessed over, he remains physically confined to a single dwelling, reflecting a dramatic fall from living amid stolen masterpieces. From charming galleries to honest mistakes, Stéphane's descent from gentleman thief to a man confined by law and his own past is a stark reminder of obsession's cost. What do you make of this transformation from admired collector to a man under house arrest? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this story intrigued you, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into true crime's most unforgettable sagas. Until next time, stay curious and take care.